trading method. Part 44. 44. 44. I think this is the magic part, right? So yeah, wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade. We have our RSI, the CCI. They both have halfway points. If they're over the halfway points, we buy. If they're under the halfway points, we sell. Simply put, we sell here for 2 because the both indicators were down at the halfway points. If 2 loses, then we do 4. If 4 loses, then we do 9. If 9 loses, then we do 19. If 19 loses, then we do 41. If 41 loses, then we do 89. If 89 loses, then we do 191, 410, 881, 1910, 3810. Right? You could say that the right way. I don't give a fuck. I really don't. Right? But you get the number. It was on screen. Screenshot it. Write it down. That's all you need. Right? So 2 lost will do 4, and you wouldn't get all those losses. By the way, you'll get to about 191. That's it. Yeah. The more money you have on the account, the better for you. That way you're able to chase your trades, bro. And you don't trade, I mean, this would be the last 10-minute session, or it might go longer than 10 minutes. So we sell here for 4 because both indicators are under the indicated halfway point. We will trade for 10 minutes, so 10 minutes from now would be 11. So we'll stop at 11:10. 11 is 1, 11:01 would be 2, so 11:09 would be 10 technically, because we started from 0. Which in counting, you don't start from 0, you start from 1, but yeah, start from 0 with time. So you can see every trade has been a minute apart, so that's also good. So this is my trading history I'm showing you, so you see what I'm doing. So next up in line is 9, 4, and 2 is 6. 6 minus 8 is 57. You would get $2.57 profit if you win. So you will end in profits all the time. So yeah, we buy here for 9. You move up to 19 and we wait. Zui zui. Je veux avoir les zones sexuelles. Yeah. Yeah, this is the wealth builder, bro. This is the wealth generator 3000. The wealth generator 3000 of them. You will generate the wealth, you will generate all the money, yeah? Yeah, just generate the money. The money, the money, the money, the money. You whatever me, you get hit with the honey, the money, the money, the money, the money, the heart, the brain, the gratitude, and the soul, and the money. It will come. It would come really whole, and that song sus, that song gay. Le boy don't play. The Glock is on my wrist. The Glock is on my side. Don't step aside. You step behind. Don't step behind. Just step aside. And if you run up on me, you get hit with the Glock, Glock. Wait, that's gay, bro. 181, 181, 181, 181, double eight H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H. So yeah, 191. 19 lost. 19 and 1 is 20 and 1. That's 30, 34, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $5 and $4.05. No, it's actually 5. 5 and 3 is 8. 5 and 4 though is 9. So it's $5 and 505. So both indicators are up. So we buy for 41. 41 loses, and we do, guess what? Guess how much we do? 89, buddy. How do you think 41 will come back down and lose? What do you think? Comment right there. I'll comment. I mean, it's winning. It could come back down. It can do this again. No way it does that again. 141. 101. But I have a Dubsky. That's a Dubsky. And so 5 trades. We'll stop at 1109. Alright, and this would be the last trading session for the day. Alright, so boom. So we sell here for 2, we up to 4, and we wait. Patience is a game, isn't it? Nice. Nice. GG. So we sell here for 2, we up to 4, and we wait. Right, and this is how the trading method works. You know what? This video would be around 8 minutes long. Why? Because, I mean, I'm tired, I'm sleepy. So yeah, last trade for the day. You can like, comment, subscribe, check the other videos out. There's probably something that pops up on the screen right here. The playlist, check the playlist out, watch the videos in the playlist, yeah. So yeah, if 2 loses, then we do 4. Which I doubt 2 is gonna lose. 2 is absolutely going to dominate this market. Up, bro. Up. Or even farmer red candle. Go up. Or you got jokes or something? Go up, bro. You wanna go up? You can't come back down here, my guy. My guy, I said up, bro. Up. Up, up, uppity. Up, up, uppity. Moonwalking on this money. Oh my god. Oh my glob. Oh my glob. Anyways, we wait still. Wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade for $4. If 4 loses, we make our $2 back plus 181, $1.81. And I think that's it. 181. So we supposed to sell right here, but if it's coming down, it's coming down. Nothing can stop it. So yes, 181. It's a good stretch. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Infinite Trading Method, part 44. This has been your host, Man Like Karma, Shamoy God Trader. GG. Wait, what? I can't leave yet, bro. God, yet. So 4 and 2 is 6. 6 and 2 is 8. So $2.57 profits. And we wait. Problem solved. I'm not leaving until I win. Let me get this straight. Let me get this clear. Let me get one thing clear. One thing. Just one thing. Let me be clear. And let me be very clear. Extremely clear. So clear. I turn white light into the color of the rainbow. I will not yield to the markets, to this world, to everything around me. I will not yield. I will never yield. I cannot yield. I do not know how to yield. I will never yield. I will never yield. And 858. So 9 and 1, this is 15, this is $3.10. So we buy here for 19 because both indicators are above the indicated halfway points. If 19 loses, then we do 41, which it seems as if 19 is going to crow. But it's okay because we have, guess who? 41. So yeah, we ended up doing 1, 2. This is number 10. We ended up going to 10 minutes anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so this would be trade number 11. This is 11 minutes in 1-1. Let us see. And this would be our winning trade. Right here. Watch, this should be the absolute dubski. Watch it. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. We already know where this is going. Alright, 41. If 41 loses, and guess how much we're doing? 89, buddy. Woo! And 19 and 1, that's 20, and 9 and 1, that's 10. So 20 and 10, that's 30, and then 4, 34. We have 39, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $5.05, 505. Just 505 represent infinity, baby. Anyways, infinite trading method, part 44. This has been your host, Shamoy, God Trader, GG.